Hey Math 7, welcome back to the very first day of our normal scheduled curriculum. It's March 30th, it's Monday, and I want to remind you on Friday the 13th we took 8.3 notes in class. So if you would, look over 8.3 notes from your binder. We took them in class on Friday. Look them over, make sure you have your essential question, which is in the textbook on the first page of 8.3. And make sure you write your own summary. I'm not there over your shoulder to remind you and ask you to do this, but it's very helpful for you to understand when you write your understanding that way. So make sure you're reading your notes, revisiting your notes, editing your notes if you need to. Take notes with us today. So today's 8.3, it's day 2, so we're going to do some examples together, just like a normal day would be. So you're reading your notes, you're fixing them, and then we're going to start the warm-up. Here's the warm-up. It says find the area of the circle. Use 3.14 or 22/7 for pi. I always use 3.14 for pi. All of my tests say to use 3.14 for pi. The homework says use 3.14 for pi. And it's very important that if the instructions say to use 3.14 for pi, you need to follow those directions. You cannot use the pi key. If you do that on big ideas, it will mark the answer wrong. So if the instructions say to use 3.14 for pi, you make sure that you do. So pause the video, try these 3 using your notes, finding the area of circles. And then when you're ready, unpause. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start number 1. We're reviewing the warm-up. The first thing I'm going to do is write the formula down. I always write the formula down. And remember, I'm going to provide these formulas for you when we take tests or quizzes. So area is pi r squared. The next step after I write the formula is to substitute in the value of r. They gave us the value of r right here is 4. Pi, and then I use parentheses when I substitute, squared. Next I'm going to evaluate. Remember, squared doesn't mean 4 times 2. It means 4 times 4. 4 times itself 2 times. That's 16. And 16 times 3.14, use a calculator. 3.14, that's area is approximately 50.24 inches squared. Let's do another one. Write the formula. Substitute in the value of r, which they gave to us. Evaluate the exponents. 7 times 7 is 49. And then approximate the value of pi. 49 times 3.14. 153.86. Square feet. Last one for the warm-up. Formula. Substitute in the value of r. Evaluate my exponents. 1 times 1 is still 1. And approximate the value of pi. Square centimeters. Now on my, the website looks totally different now. If you'll notice at the very top bar of the website, it has that we are going to have office hours for you to come get help. It's very similar to if you were to come ask me a question during break or lunch. You can come and ask me a question on Zoom. It's a video conferencing application that we're going to use twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 o'clock. Or you can email me. Those are the 2 options. Let's try some more. So here are the 2 examples I've got for us for today. It says find the area of a circle. For one is radius and one is with diameter. So find some space to work. This is where we would normally break up into A, B, awesome and brilliant, and we would switch and we would do all the fun stuff that we do normally in class. But we don't have that luxury. So pause the video, try these two, and then unpause and we'll go over them. All right, let's start reviewing. So it says find the area of a circle with the radius of 6 feet. They gave us radius is 6 feet. R is equal to 6. Now, if it's helpful for you, draw a picture. Draw your circle with the radius of 6 feet, and that might be helpful for you. But the steps are the same as the warm-up. Write the formula down. Substitute in the value of R, which they gave to us. Evaluate for exponents. And then approximate that value of pi, 3.14 times 36, 113.04 square feet. Last one, find the area of a circle with the diameter of 28 meters. So I'm going to draw a picture here, and I'm going to show you that the diameter, which is the distance all the way across the circle here, is 28. And that's not helpful for the area formula because we have to have R. So if the diameter is 28, then the radius is 14. And that's what we're going to use for our formula. Write the formula down. Substitute in the value of R that we found. Evaluate those exponents. And multiply by 3.14. Meters squared. All right, make sure that you're trying these examples with us. Pause the video if you need to, go back, review, fix your notes if you need to. Visit the website, it has lots of resources there. Attend our office hours if you need help, or send me a detailed message. Make sure you're working hard, try the homework, and I'll be there for you if you need anything. Let me know. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.